Hello, my name is Chef Ben Diaz, and today I'm going to show you how to cook extra thin carne picada. The reason we want to make this dish is simple, delicious, crispy, and meaty. So first off, we can take a 2-quart pot, add 1 quart of olive oil, bring that to a boil. While that's going, in a large mixing bowl, we can add our carne picada already sliced and ready to go. Add about 2 tablespoons of cumin, 1 tablespoon of ground garlic, teaspoon of salt, teaspoon of pepper, and about 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour. We're going to mix this thoroughly. Next, make sure to drench it gently so that no lumps form. Now, when our oil's ready to go, sprinkle in our dusted beef. We're going to let it fry for about 3 to 5 minutes on high heat, making sure to move the meat gently so it does not stick to one another. Put it on a self-draining pan and let drain for about 30 seconds to 1 minute. Add a little bit of cilantro and enjoy your carne picada.